guys, Matt with Materra Waterscapes. Today we are tearing out an old pond, like a 6x8. We're gonna replace it with our Tranquility Elite Waterfall. So I'll take you back there, show you what that looks like in a second here.
There's 3 layers of concrete block here, full of concrete, and then dirt in between.
Why'd they put dirt in between? I guess maybe so they could grow up there?
Yeah, the plant. It's really sturdy.
And they give you nothing extra. Look at this. This is probably leaking here too. Well, let's keep tearing it apart. Just want to show you guys the progress we're making. We have seriously started to fill up that trailer. It's a little over halfway full, that dump trailer. We've pulled out so much concrete out of here. The edges are just reinforced and then reinforced again. Seems like there's several iterations of this pond. The top is super reinforced with double retaining walls and then like a veneer on the outside. So we've got all this pile, and I'll head up here, take a look at how full the trailer is getting. Here's how much has come out of there already. Day 2 of the project. Got some of the rock here. The other dump trailer is getting dumped today. But you can see here our rock. This is a gold ore granite, also known as a brown granite. You can see just how beautiful that is with all these different tones of rusty. You've got some of the blues, the grays, some browns. Here's another one. It's got some gold hue in there. We're gonna get these unloaded, get them down by the waterfall, get some of this fill dirt, level out that area where the excavation is, add to our berm some, and get this thing put together. All right, due to our access issues here, this whole thing is flagstone. If I drove a dingo on it, it would crack up like crazy. So instead of doing that, we've got the boulders coming down via the boulder dolly. We are moving dirt with our wheelbarrows. So we had to bring all of that was in the trailer. We had to bring all of that up there in wheelbarrows one by one. So that was quite a lot of work. We've got boulders showing up down here. We're getting this shaped out for our pondless reservoir. So that's gonna use aqua blocks. We've got all of our aqua blocks, our pump vault, an extension on there since we're using the big aqua blocks. Those will go in here. It'll get backfilled on the edges, so it'll be nicely secure in there. Those aqua blocks can hold a ton of weight, so people can walk on there, no problem. We can put boulders on there. So plan over here, we're gonna put basically boulders along the back here just to retain this berm. We're gonna cut this plumbing out, that's the old stuff. I'm gonna reshape a lot of this berm here. We're gonna do kind of a dual fall that disappears into our basin here. So you'll see that happen right now. So here's what we've got. We've got a geotextile, the liner, and then another geotextile on top. So that's gonna ensure that We've got really good protection on the liner. And so we're gonna get the aqua blocks put in, and we're gonna backfill all the edges. I'm gonna peel the liner back for a second, dig this out so that it's lower than the rest of the aqua blocks here. That way we've got access to all of the water in the basin, and start getting it rocked up. All right, made some good progress in the Pondless Waterfall. We're waiting for some more 1.5-inch river. We're waiting for some more dirt to get kind of more of a berm effect here. The spill is actually hidden back here, so that's gonna come down and rush off all these edges here. It's gonna come meander over to this edge and this edge. This will create like a really cool sort of tunnel here. These are here to kind of create a separator. So the water is going to come down and off this edge here and weir off really nice, and then create some action here. We've got a wood element here, so some outcropping rocks. We've got the vault filling up here. This is kind of our bib liner, just so that the water can jump on there and kind of dissipate over these edges into the basin, so we can kind of extend it out all the way to here. Otherwise it would literally fall off there and disappear. So we've kind of continued it over our aqua blocks. We're going to mulch it up, kind of freshen up these areas, and turn it on.